We'll guide you through how to make a zip file on a Windows laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Windows. So you can follow this whether you use a PC or laptop, it doesn't matter. Now this is really convenient to do because with a zip file, you can easily go and send multiple folders, files in an email or elsewhere. A zip file just goes and compresses it and makes it much easier to go and send. Makes this full guide and don't skip anything. Without any further ado, let's get started. You can do this with files or you could do it with a folder. So you could just go and have a folder here, or you could go and start selecting the files you want to do this with. So you could hold Control and start selecting them, or click, hold and drag, and so you've got them selected. So you can then go and have multiple or just one, it doesn't matter. You want to go and right click on one of the selected items, files or folders, it doesn't matter. And then you want to go and hover over compress to, find zip file, like so. It'll then go and create it as you can see. You can name it what you want, I'll name it guide and you can click off of it and that's it.